So now, as you have signed on to Greatness Workshop, I would be sharing the first skill out of the 5 of how you can become great. The first skill is growth mindset. We have two types of mindset. One is limiting one and one is growth mindset. Recently, there were a lot of researches जहां पर scientists ने ये proof किया that human beings can have neuroplasticity. इसका मतलब है आपका दिमाग, आपके neurons can actually change along the way as you upskill your professional life and your personal life, and that is great news. इसका मतलब ये है कि इंसान अपने आप को अपने तरीके से तब्दील कर सकता है. I would be sharing 4 strategies right now on how you can achieve growth mindset. The first one is situational awareness. आपके इर्द गिर्द में क्या हो रहा है और आप उसको अपने दिमाग में किस तरह से प्रोसेस कर रहे हैं matters a lot. Second is you need to upskill while being resilient. You need to push your boundaries every single day. You cannot lie in your comfort zone. So you need to upskill according to the situation. The third thing is you need to take responsibility or accountability. इसका मतलब ये है कि आप blame पे आप जिंदा नहीं रह सकते कि यार उसकी वजह से ऐसा हो रहा है या इसने ऐसा कर दिया तो मैं ये कर रहा हूँ. You can't do that. Everything, every power you possess is within you and you need to believe on that. And last but not the least is you need to take action, because you can think a lot of things. Strategies बना सकते हैं, 10,000 चीजें कर सकते हैं, अपने दिमाग को पॉजिटिव कर सकते हैं, मगर जब तक आप एक्शन नहीं लेते, nothing changes. So once you have decided to become great, this is the fundamental point, this is the basic point, and that is having a growth mindset and following those strategies which I have mentioned. And if you once you do that, then we move forward on the R or the second skill of how you can become great.